Show me where again? Oh, way down at the bottom there? Yeah. I got that all day for you, buddy. How's the rest of you feeling?
Everything's good.
Oh, man. I'm face down, please. That boy right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Roger that. So that's the SI joint, dude. So we'll get that in just a second. Just kind of want to work top down first, bro. Dang, this feels way different, dude. Nice. A little bit here. I'm gonna check one way at the top. Let's take these big old arms, let them drop off the sides up. Chin up barely here. Good. Let me check like this, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Little breath in here. Okay, hold on. Wait. Oh, there it goes. Let it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, bigger breath on this one here, bro. Hold it. Exhale, relax. We'll get the rest on the sides there. Head drop back there, buddy. Yeah, bud. Tiny bit forward here, sir. Right there, you good? Gotcha. All right, like this for me here, partner. Yep. Yes, sir. Let's try the other side. Hook up right there, buddy. Yes, sir. All right, big man, just squeeze up top here, buddy. I got the rest to you. Yeah, how about right? Yeah, right like that for me here. Let's get you on your back, bro. Face up. I think we got it, dude. Let's check this beautiful neck. Yeah, that's kind of right, like, got him. Let's try the other side. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. My boy feeling good right now, man. Come on up. How's that, bro?
Good.
All better?